What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is race week here in the Northeast on Long Island. We are prepping for Jones Beach 70.3 tomorrow. Right now it is September 19th, Friday. The weather is gorgeous out. I think everybody's going to have an outstanding race weekend. Finally, as the third year for Jones Beach. Coaching side of things, we also have Ironman Maryland and a bunch of coached athletes going there. But this focus is going to be on that Jones Beach 70.3. I'm actually headed down to the Village right now to try and catch up with a lot of the local athletes that I know, the coached athletes, and then as well get in a quick practice swim and just get out there in the water with everybody, take some video, see who's down there. If you've been following along on this channel, I was signed up for Jones Beach. Unfortunately, suffered some random meniscus tear in early July, and kind of as training was kicking off, just had to pivot. How do I feel now? Actually, not too bad. Could I have possibly grinded out, you know, some training in the last minute after recovery from the surgery that I got, you know, pretty quickly after the injury? Yeah, you know, because I feel good, but that would have just been foolish in the grand scheme of things, because I would never recommend that for one of my coached athletes. So I have to lead by example and go do my due diligence with my rehab and recovery and my return to sport properly. So that's just a little tip there for everybody out there. If you were going through something and you couldn't get the race in or any race in, you know, there'll be another one. You'll live to fight another day. So technically this is the first race I've ever signed up for in my endurance journey that did not come to fruition due to some outside circumstances that I unfortunately could not control. So there we have it. That's the gist of things. Won't keep you too long here because, man, it's beautiful out and I want to get down to that village and see everybody and do a race recap. This will be my first race recap of a weekend that I didn't participate in, but I might be able to get more now and more footage by being down there as a spectator and a coach and cheering everybody on. So that's gonna be pretty cool too. So come along for the sights and sounds. We are headed to Athlete Village, Jones Beach 70.3, coming at you in, they'll be kicking off in about 21 hours from now. So get after it. We'll see you down there. They shuttle you right into the store. Spend all your money. Right, our first pro athlete interview.
Oh, check that out.
Yeah, what's going on, buddy?
Cool.
Are we ready?
It's good. Let's
Are we
play.
ready or what?
Let's start right now.
All right, let's go, buddy. Hey.
Hey!
I've been keeping an eye on you. You ready or what?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Woo!
You ready? Say something. Say something.
I hope it's not gonna rain.
Oh, you're gonna be like, oh, it's so hot out. Oh, it's so hot.
Whenever I'm with him, something inside starts to burn it.
There he is.
And I feel with desire.
Hey, Mr. Matt. Matthew.
I can't hear.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Say hello.
Hello. Hi, give it a try.
Hey, baby.
Keep from crying. Tear me apart.
is the most beautiful place on earth.
How are you?
Doing it
For
D3, it finally happened.
Ironman Triathlon. the
talk
Northwell
about it.
Ironman at Jones Beach.
We're going
And
much
my
better
name is
every year,
Karen.
every year.
I'm the Deputy Regional Director for New York.
That's the way I do it. It is a lot more chaotic. What's up, Ken?
There he is, the man in his element, Kim's here.
Yeah. I got my Bucky's hat on.
That's nice. Staying cool.
That's how we're trying to. Good luck tomorrow. I'll see you out there. Any
Give
questions, stop over here.
us the 30-second rundown on the weather tomorrow.
The high, what weather?
Exactly.
This weather. Exactly. You know what you're talking about.
No.
We don't talk
No.
about weather.
No.
Weather.
What's weather? We are not
What's
talking
weather?
about weather.
I didn't say to post a
Hold on.
10-day forecast.
No.
No.
We are not
Forecast.
talking
You said
about
the
weather.
other word.
Oh, God.
Forecast. What forecast?
There's no such thing as forecast. It's whatever it is right now, you deal with it.
Exactly.
That's what it is.
If you need assistance, they are here for you. Not only the Jones Beach staff, but also our world famous Jones Beach.
What is up? We are here at the finish line. A little different this year. You're actually finishing up inside where transition is, where parking is,
Please enjoy
keeping
Jones
everything
Beach
closer
and
together.
all
So
of
there are a
its
few little differences in the course this year. We'll point them out maybe as we take some film tomorrow during the event. But everything is right here. You got your huge parking, transition, the swim's right over there. You come out, hit transition, go out on the bike course, hit the run out on the boardwalk, loop through here a couple times, and then come through right here. That is a huge upgrade this year as opposed to the last 2 years. Everything is right here. So I can't wait tomorrow to come back down here, cheer everybody on, and good luck everybody. We're gonna just jump in the water, get a couple images over there by the water, and then we're gonna get out of here for the day, get a good night's sleep, and come spectate tomorrow. So stay safe and stay healthy out there, and I hope everybody has a great race day. We'll see you out there. Let's go! Nice job! Bike course, mile 4 and I believe 30 northbound. Everybody's getting after it. Let's go. Looking good. Beautiful day. Do I wish I was out there racing? Absolutely. But hey, it is what it is. I can get used to this. I can get used to a beautiful day, sunshine, cheering everybody on, and watching them crush their goals. Can't wait to catch up with some of the coached athletes out there on the run course in a little bit, and then towards the finish line, and recap how their days are going, because it just looks like a magical day out here. Really awesome. So let's keep cheering them on here on the bike course, give you some more views, and then we'll go down to the run course. Let's go.
Hey,
yes, my boy. Let's go. Nice job, nice job. Let's go. Job. All right, beautiful day. Keep smiling. Let's go.
let's go, man.
Let's go. Let's go. Looking smooth. Nice job. Looking strong. Nice job. Keep smiling. Let's go. Nice job. That beard is amazing. Yo. Let's go, Steve. There he is. Let's go, buddy. Doing it. go, buddy. We're doing it. Big couple weeks for you. Let's go. Let's go. Smile if you want to be on YouTube. Let's go. Come on, doing good. Let's go. Well, they're gonna be. Let's go. Doing good. You guys doing it, let's go. Come on, how we doing, boys? How we doing? We're doing good? Come on, smile, let's go. Doing it. Man, they need some pumping up, Alex. All right, we're getting crap. Let's go, Kenny. How we doing, buddy?
I want you to finish my run, Ken.
Yeah? Take me in, buddy. Let's fucking go. You're looking good, dude. Good, Dale. Let's go, Dale. Let's roll. Yes. Looking good. There we go, burp it up. Hopefully it stays in. All right, real quick, interview. How was the swim, buddy?
The swim was a little choppy, but
okay, yeah.
doable.
Yeah, how about the bike today?
Bike was
nice weather?
Very fast on the way back.
Nice, nice.
Wind on the way up.
It's a little windy down here right now,
But they actually changed the course a little.
Nice.
Before you exit Royal Country Road, they did the opposite.
Well, I think we're
So,
doing pretty
it
good
was
today.
good, yeah.
How do you think about this weather, buddy? Amazing, right?
Hey?
It's third time's a charm. Let's go, Land Shark in the house. Catch you on the next one, buddy. Somebody give me a smile. Let's go. We're out here doing it. Beautiful out. Year 3. Let's go. There we go. Some smiles. It does not hurt when you're smiling. Trust me. Getting after it. That's what I'd like to see. Let's go.
My hamstring went right after I saw you.
Oh.
So tough, you should have took the pivot.
Christina, where's my favorite person in the world?
Ah, oh my God.
What do we got? What do we got?
We got 9, 10.
How are we feeling?
Great. Oh my God, I
wanted to
love
see
you so much.
much. Give me something. How was that swim? It was a swim, right?
Yeah, the swim.
But you did it. How was the bike?
Oh, so much better than I
Oh, hell
expected.
yeah. And how's the run?
amazing!
Yeah, you're gonna fucking kill it.
Guys, we have a couch!
Let's
Yes!
go.
Thanks, Gan.
I'll be out here cheering. Let's go. Nice and smooth, all right? Nice and smooth. I spy a Pasquale on the course. Keep it moving, buddy. We're doing it. We're doing it.
Somehow we're doing it, coach.
Impromptu interview. How we doing?
So far, so good. I'm breathing right now.
That's it.
The
And you're
swim
on-
kills me, the bike I did great.
And you're on 2 feet.
And
And you're not moving.
we're moving.
Keep fueling. Stay smooth. Stay steady. 1 foot in front of the other, my
Yes,
friend.
sir, man.
That's it.
All right. See you in a little while. Thank you.
Doing good. Let's go. Smooth. Just think smooth. Little left turn. We're gonna go to this corner over here where that black trailer is first. It's supposed to be like the final turn.
Si les gels rentrent plus, hein, il faut que vous avez des crampes.
Let's see if anybody was nearby before we leave.
Like this. Yeah, make a video because nobody's videotaped us.
We just pulled
Best
him the
8-stop
Dude,
water
pulled him the
pouring
pour.
out there,
Ridiculous.
right here. Miles 1 and 7
Is that something?
is where it's at. That's how you fill a table up with water. Holy.
Yo.
No pressure. No pressure.
It's like
It's
the
been
endless,
pressure all
the
day.
endless fountain of water. I think it's going great. I'm proud of us.
It's insane.
Jake McGillian Moore from Ireland, Esther Kiss. Emma Schlechter from Arlington, Virginia. From Mississauga, Erica Hole. Artur Ferrara, Petra Reznichenko, Marcy Castanet from Whitby, Ontario, Frederick Mitra, Eddie Stempkowski from Stanford, Matt Mankara, Deer Park, Ricardo Gennari, Danny Lanai, Amy Wainwright, Blake Sejonia, William Mackey, and Peter Allen from Morristown, New Jersey.